Believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in a website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, let me show it to you now. Yeah, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos here in the gallery. Here, let me show it to you now. This one, how about the contact details? Yes, we can add it in contact link. And also, if you want to add some more details or some info about your services, we can also add it here. And also about the company. There you go. Yeah, if this video would be good for you or if it's helpful for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I'm working with at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Thank you. Talk to you soon.